So here is a quick video on how I wash my makeup brushes. As you can see, I have a ton of them over here. These are all like my powder ones, and I have a couple foundation ones. I did wash my eye brushes already, but it's the same technique that I use. So the first thing you want to do is just grab a cup or a jar that you have and put some hot water in it. About that much, not a lot, because remember, when you put brushes in, then the water will rise. And you just want to grab some dish soap. This is what I'm using here. And then take your brushes and turn them upside down into the water. You can see it like so, and you can already see that the water's changing color. Put one more in this one, and then you're just gonna let them sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so after they've been in there for about 20 minutes, I have a mat here that I actually got from Dollarama, and it's got little ridges on it, so you can use this, or if you have like a brush cleaning mat, you can use that as well, but this works just as well for me. I put a little bit of dish soap on it again, and then I take a brush out. There's the camera a little bit, there we go. And I rinse this off here. And as you can see, like, it's actually already pretty clean, but I just give it another quick swirl, just because with these brushes they have a lot more junk on them. I do it like that for all of them. And I have my tea towel over on the other side. And so I just do that and lay them down. So this one here is like a foundation one. So you can see here, it's not quite clean. So this is one that I definitely want to clean a little bit more. And just like that, it's come off. Lay these ones out here. As you can see, these are all my eye brushes that I've done earlier. And there you go. Super quick and simple. Like I said, it's honestly like soaking your dishes when you soak your brushes for 20 minutes, but come out looking mighty fine. So I hope you guys find this video helpful and help you guys clean your brushes as well. Take care.